Hey everyone! We're so excited to be here today filming the first video for the HoppingShopping channel, and we're thrilled to have you all here with us. We've come together to compile and share the weekly discounts and deals from many popular grocery stores across just for you. If you're into food, drinks, cleaning products, and more, you're in the right place. Are you ready to join us on this journey? Let's dive in. Fish Market Atlantic Salmon Fillet. 6. $99 strawberries. 1. $99 mandarins. 3. $29 bone in assorted pork chops. 1. $99 tomatoes on the vine. 1. $49 asparagus. 2. $49 Smithfield twin pack pork tenderloin. 2. $99 butterball all natural ground turkey. 8. $99 frozen medium cooked shrimp. 4. $99 Avi fajita seasoned skirt steak. 7. $99 donut must buy 4. $3 apple turnover must buy 4. $3 taco dinner kit. 1. $99 salsa must buy 2. $5 shredded cheese must buy 2. $5 DiGiorno frozen personal pizza must buy 2. $7 Lidl Preferred Selection Super Premium Ice Cream must buy 2. $7 Panera Bread Soup must buy 2. $7 Solavita 100% apple juice must buy 3. $5 Goldfish Crackers. 8. $88 Ultra Strong Paper Towels. 7. $99 Olay Mexican Foods Medium Jalapeno Cheese Dip. 3. $49 La Banderita Classic Totopos. 3. $49 Olay Quesadilla Cheese. 4. $99 Olay Mexican Foods Queso Cotija Mexican Parmesan Style Cheese. 4. $99 Olay Mexican Foods Yellow Corn Tortilla. 2. $24 La Banderita Chorizo Mexican Sausage. 2. $99 La Banderita Flour Tortillas. 1. $99 Goya Adobo Seasoning. 1. $99 Goya Mojo Criollo Marinade. 1. $99 Goya Yellow Rice, Spanish Style. 1. $99 Latin-inspired dessert. 1. $9 canned beans, vegetables, must buy 5. $3 Lidl Preferred Selection, pitted olives. Must buy 2. 6. $00 appetizers to go frozen chicken and cheese quesadilla trumpets. 3. $99 queso fresco. 1. $99 this churro puffs cinnamon. 3. $99 original Maria cookies. 2. $99 sips saber Latino juice must buy 2. $3 snack day plantain chips must buy 2. $3 tropical foliage 12. $99 calla lily 9. $99 assorted potted bulbs. 2. $99 bare root plant. 2. $99 seeds. 1. $99 Asmara Ladies cardigan. 12. $99 Asmara Ladies top. 6. $99 Asmara Ladies full zip hoodie. 14. $99 Livergy men's t-shirts. 6. $99 adults clogs. 9. $99 Asmara Ladies mid-eye dress. 12. $99 Asmara Ladies wide waistband leggings. 5. $99 adults sweatpants. 9. $99 Ernesto cast iron pan. 19. $99 Farberware basting spoon turner. 3. $99 Farberware set of 2 glass storage containers. 9. $99 Farberware ice cream scoop. 6. $99 Farberware all-purpose shears. 4. $99 Farberware kitchen utensil. 7. $99 Farberware Euro peeler. 4. $99 Farberware can opener. 4. $99 Farberware stainless steel whisk. 4. $99 Farberware pizza cutter. 6. $99 Farberware red spatula set. 3. $99 Farberware bag clips. 3. $99 Ernesto food storage container set. 4. $99 16-piece meal prep containers. 7. $99 Bliss Bedding 4-piece deep pocket bamboo sheet set. $29. $99 Comfort Lab bamboo quilted mattress pad. $29. $99 Silvercrest lithium-ion cordless handheld vacuum. $24. $99 Livarno home storage ottoman. $17. $99 Silvercrest multi-purpose steam cleaner. $39. $99 Livarno home dish bottle brush. $1. $99 2-in-1 mobility aid. $29. $99 bathroom footrest. $16. $99 Italiamo pasta must buy 2. $4 pasta sauce must buy 2. $3 Italiamo green Cerignola olives must buy 2. $5 Lidl preferred selection frozen seafood paella. 2. $99 artichoke hearts in brine must buy 2. $3 Lidl preferred selection mushrooms in brine must buy 2. $5 The Philo Factory frozen mini mushroom philo turnover. 3. $99 Thanks for joining me on this amazing journey. Today, we had a delightful shopping experience together on the HoppingShopping channel. Remember, we'll keep sharing the latest grocery deals here every week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything. For now, take care and see you in the next video.